Ever wondered how designers turn regular photos into sleek outlines or digital sketches without touching Photoshop? Well, today I'll show you exactly how to trace an image using Canva. It's quick, easy, and super fun to do. Let's jump right in. First, open Canva and upload the image you want to trace. Once it's on your canvas, look over to the left side toolbar and click on Apps. In the search bar, type Tracer. This is Canva's built-in tool for automatic tracing. When it appears, click on it, then choose Trace Selected Image. In just a few seconds, Canva will generate a clean outline version of your image, almost like a sketch or digital stencil. This works great for turning portraits, logos, or product photos into simple line art that you can recolor, resize, or layer onto designs. But here's the cool part. If you want more manual control over the tracing style, Canva also gives you that option. Select your uploaded image, click Edit Image, and scroll through the effects until you find Trace. Once applied, you'll see a threshold slider. This lets you fine-tune how strong or detailed the outline appears. Lower the threshold for softer outlines or increase it for bolder, sharper edges. After adjusting, you can easily change the trace line's color, add backgrounds, or combine them with text and shapes to create eye-catching visuals, perfect for posters, thumbnails, or digital art projects. And that's it. Tracing an image in Canva is that simple. Whether you want clean outlines or stylized sketches, this feature gives your designs a polished professional touch in minutes. If you found this helpful, don't forget to try it out yourself and experiment with different images and effects. You'll be surprised by how creative the results can get. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.